Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your cache and cookies on your iPhone. Now, if you want to clear your RAM or your memory, so for this, first of all, just open up your settings on your iPhone. Now you have to scroll down and go to the Safari, tap on this apps and simply scroll down and tap on this Safari. Now it's going to bring you on this page. Now all you have to do is you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will see this option here, clear history and website data. That will clear cache and clear history, and that will clear cookies. It may log you out from your sub websites and Safari as well, but you just have to press on it and then you have to tap on this clear history and data, and then you are good to go. And if you go back to your settings here, tap on this general here and go to this iPhone storage, and here you could jump into any app here and you could see some of the data those apps are taking. And if you really need to clear that stuff, you can do so as well. You can delete those apps if you are in no need for these apps. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.